So I'm in a Scan Baltic right now dealing with a Yanmar 6LPA. Customer talked about some cooling problems. We've been discussing many different possibilities. So we're going to take out the heat exchanger and see what's going on with that one. For some reason it is so stuck. So this is the heat exchanger. I don't know if you can see, but inside there's a lot of tiny tubes and they tend to clog up and the heat exchanger can't really do its job, so water cannot flow through the way it's supposed to. What we need to do is to clean it with acid. Alright, so I'm all done. I didn't get to film everything and it's hard to see what I'm doing down there. The customer talked about smoke from the engine. So now that we cleaned the heat exchanger, we also want to look at the intercooler. So I'm just going to remove a few hoses and stuff and just take a look inside and see how it looks. It can definitely give you an indication, because if that is clogged up with dirt and stuff, just like the heat exchanger was, then we might have to do something about that one too. Alright, so I just removed this part from the engine and that allows me to take a look straight into the intercooler. This one connects the intercooler with the turbo. So what you don't want to find in there is oil and dirt. So I think it looks good. You want to see? Let's do it. Alright, I don't think that looks half bad. Alright, all done. So then it's basically a few hours on the desk, the office. Gotta punch in some numbers and stuff. Thought about doing that for a long time. We need this space for other things. Alright, that's good enough for now. I'm tired now. Time to go home, I think. Do something else. Alright, that's it.